Hey everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports here. Today we have a 2020 Toyota Tundra for sale. This vehicle for sale comes in a red, a red exterior. And we do have a two-tone red and black interior. This is the sport model of the Toyota Tundra. Definitely has a very sporty appearance. So let's go ahead and take a look at our rear seats. Getting a really nice two-tone look. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Take a look at our driver's side. Door controls here. Driver's seat controls. Driver's seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle currently at 2,618. Do have a push button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen display. It's where you can access navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we have climate controls and shifter. And if you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.